So this is the bahasa Melayu homework that I just done. Hello everyone, so this is the condition of my study table. So this is the bahasa Melayu homework that I just done. It's a karangan something, and yeah, I got like a more homework to go, but it's completely okay. Take your time and do your best in everything that you do. So I also got a coffee right there, but I think that I won't drink it because when I drink it, my blood pressure will rise, and I don't want that because if I drink coffee, then I cannot go to sleep, and I don't want that since tomorrow is going to be school day, which is I'm going to hate. But at the same time, I think that I need to go to school because I need to study. I need to, you know, school things. So I think that's all. This is only bahasa Melayu, and I got like this more homework to do, and it's completely okay. Fighting. So hello everyone, so today is 15th of July 2022, and this morning I'm having my physics class, which is from 8 to 12, and I'm going to go to school and attend my physics class, and after I came back from school I will go to my friend's house to send her a cake that my mom made because yesterday was her birthday, but I got nothing to give to her, so I asked my mom to make a cake for her, and later me and my mom, I'm going to send it to her. I need to go to school right now because I'm running late because I woke up late, and this is my bag and all packed, and let's go.